Tag. A small label. A children's chasing game in which one player, known as it, attempts to touch another, who then becomes it. A skin tag, an excrescence of skin. A type of cardboard. Graffiti in the form of a stylized signature particular to the artist. A dangling lock of sheep's wool, matted with dung, a dung tag. Informal, authorship, an attribution in narrated dialogue, e.g., he said, or attributed words, e.g. he thought. Music, the last line, or last two lines, of a song's chorus that is repeated to indicate the end of the song. Television, the last scene of a TV program that often focuses on the program's subplot. Chiefly U.S., a vehicle number plate, a metal bearing identification data, animals, soldiers. Baseball, an instance of touching the base runner with the ball or the ball in a gloved hand to rule him out. Computing, a piece of markup representing an element in a markup language. Computing, a keyword, term, or phrase associated with or assigned to data, media, and / or information enabling keyword-based classification, often used to categorize content. Any slight appendage, as to an article of dress, something slight hanging loosely. A metallic binding, tube, or point, at the end of a string, or lace, to stiffen it. The end, or catchword, of an actor's speech, cue. Something mean and paltry, the rabble. A sheep in its first year. Biochemistry, any short peptide sequence artificially attached to proteins mostly in order to help purify, solubilize or visualize these proteins. Slang, a person's name. Transitive, to label, something. Transitive, graffiti, to mark, something, with one's tag. Transitive, to remove dung tags from a sheep. Transitive, baseball, colloquial, to hit the ball hard. Transitive, baseball, to put a runner out by touching them with the ball or the ball in a gloved hand. Transitive, computing, to mark with a tag, metadata for classification. To follow closely, accompany, tag along. Transitive, to catch and touch, a player in the game of tag. Transitive, to fit with, or as if with, a tag or tags. To fasten, to attach. A decoration drawn over some Hebrew letters in Jewish scrolls. T. A. G. Tag.